Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a rhinestone eyeliner look today. So let's get started. Today for primer, I'll be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And this stuff is amazing. Taking my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Longwear Foundation in the shade 280. Taking my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the color Honey and applying it under my eye and in my smile line area. Taking my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in the shade 340 and applying that in my highlight area. I'm taking my Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer in the shade Maple and putting that into my contour areas. My Fenty Beauty setting powder in the color Lavender and baking my base. I'll be doing my eyebrows off camera because it takes the longest. using the NARS contour palette in the shade Laguna. To do one eyebrow off camera and come back to do the other one. So I did the first eye off camera, and now I'll be showing you how I created this. So today I am using the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker eyeshadow palette, and I will be taking the shade Virgin and putting that all over my lid. Taking the color Brain Freeze, it's blue right here, and putting that on the first quarter of my eye. Taking the shade Bubblegum, this pink right here, and putting it in the second quarter of my eye. Go back in with the blue brush and blend the blue into the pink. The pink brush and blend it into the yellow. Take the first brush or any blending brush and blend the edges out. You need to apply more color. As you see, the yellow started to fade as I was blending, so I'm just gonna put a little bit back into the corner of my eye. Now what you want to do is grab eyelash glue or any glue that you prefer, and I'm also taking nail rhinestones and putting that on. Now I'm just gonna put the glue on my eye and place the glue where I want each rhinestone to go. I'm going to be taking the rhinestones and placing them smallest to biggest, and you can do what you want. You can do smallest to biggest, small, big, whatever you feel is comfortable for you. shade I will be taking is this sour shade. It's like a light olive green color, and I'll be applying that to my lower lash. I'm gonna apply the lash and do my bottom lash. Just apply my lashes. So next I'll be applying my inner corner highlight, and I will be using the Jeffree Star Skin Frost Ice Cold. I'll be applying my blush using the NARS Assist Blush Palette. I will be using the Becca highlighter in Rose Gold. Finally, for lips, I'll be using the new Fenty Beauty lipstick in the shade Glazed. I'm gonna set my face using the Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray. Okay guys, so this is the final look, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and